Hello, in this video we are going to see the improvements that were made in Maximo Spatial 7604 regarding the selection tool. In the selection tool, you have two ways of selecting features. The first one, that is related to the button with a polygon icon, is drawing a geometry on the map and using that geometry to select the features. The second one is selecting an existing geometry on the map and use that geometry to select the features. That is related to the button with the arrow icon. For these two ways, we can use a special relationship to specify how the geometry will help us to select the features. Four new relationships were added on Maximo Spatial 7604. Intersects, overlaps, touches, within. Intersect. Any part of a feature from the selection geometry comes into contact with any part of a feature. The difference from crosses is that in crosses relationship, only the interior of the selection geometry is considered. So, let's draw a polygon that intersects some line features and encloses some point features. They are all selected. Overlaps. The interior of the selection geometry partly covers the geometry of a feature. Only select features that have the same geometry type as the selection geometry. And the selection geometry cannot be a single point. So, for example, let's draw a polygon that overlaps another polygon and some line and point features. In this example, only the polygon feature was selected, but the point and the line features were not selected. Touches. A part of the selection geometry comes into contact with the boundary of a feature. The interiors of the geometries do not intersect. As it is difficult to draw a polygon by hand that will contact the boundary of a feature but not its interior, let's use the geometry of an existing feature. So we click on the arrow button to select the geometry of a feature and then click on a line geometry, for example. We can see that the features that touch that line are selected. Within. It is the contrary of the contains relationship. The selection geometry is enclosed by the feature geometries. So, for example, let's draw a polygon inside a polygon feature. The polygon feature is selected. That's it. These were the relationships added to the selection tool in Maximo Spatial 7604. Thank you.